Hello children, let us learn about chemicals from common salt. Chemicals from common salt. Chemicals from common salt. Let us know what is a salt. Let us know what is a salt. The ionic compound produced by neutralization of acid with base is called a salt. The ionic compound produced by neutralization of acid with base is called salt. The ionic compound produced by neutralization of acid with base is called salt. Salts are electrically neutral. Salts are electrically neutral. Electrically neutral. Sodium chloride. You know very well about sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is also known as common salt, table salt. Sodium chloride is also known as common salt or table salt. Sodium chloride is also known as common salt or table salt. It is used to enhance the taste of food. Salt, common salt or table salt, used to enhance the taste of food. Do you know about salt? Salt is a symbol of freedom struggle. Salt is a symbol of freedom struggle. Salt is a symbol of freedom struggle. When the British government levied tax, the tax levied by British government, on common food substance, that is salt, to both poor and rich, make them to become unite in freedom struggle. So the tax levied by British government on common food substance, that is salt, on both poor and rich, make them unite in freedom struggle. You have heard about Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March and Salt Satyagraha in India's freedom struggle. You have heard about Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March, Salt Satyagraha in India's freedom struggle. So once again, salt, the ionic compound produced by neutralization of acid with base. Salts are electrically neutral. Sodium chloride is also known as common salt or table salt. It is used to enhance the taste of food. Salt is a symbol of freedom struggle. The tax levied by British government on common food substance, that is salt, to both poor and rich, make them to become unite in freedom struggle. You must have heard about Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March and about Salt Satyagraha in India's freedom struggle. Let us know about rock salt. Rock salt. What is rock salt? Simply we can say sea solid salt. Sea solid salt. Okay. Deposits of sea solid salt are often brown due to impurities. Deposits of sea solid salt are often brown due to impurities, and this salt is said to be rock salt. This salt is said to be rock salt. Deposits of sea solid salts are often brown due to impurities, and this salt is said to be rock salt. Next, common salt is a raw material. Common salt is a raw material to sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, and many more. So common salt is a raw material to sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, sodium carbonate, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Let us know about sodium hydroxide. How sodium hydroxide will be prepared, and what are the uses of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide from common salt. Sodium hydroxide from common salt. Sodium hydroxide from common salt. So let us take a beaker. Now we are going to prepare sodium hydroxide. For that purpose, we have to take a beaker. This is a beaker. In this, take two graphite rods. These are graphite rods. Okay, these are graphite rods. And connect them to a positive terminal and negative terminal of the battery. Connect them to the positive terminal and negative terminal of the battery through a switch. This is switch. Now take sodium chloride solution. We can also say aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride The aqueous solution of sodium chloride is said to be brine solution. Brine solution. So make this arrangement. Now pass the current. When electricity is passed through the solution, this sodium chloride decomposed and form sodium hydroxide, hydrogen gas, chlorine gas. So the sodium hydroxide decomposes in presence of water when electricity passed. So sodium hydroxide decomposes as sodium chloride decomposes as sodium hydroxide, hydrogen gas plus chlorine gas. Hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. Okay, this is about the chemical reaction when sodium chloride in presence of water, when electricity is passed, it decomposes as sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. This chlorine gas given off at cathode. Cathode is nothing but it is a negative terminal. So this is cathode, negative terminal. Cathode is nothing but negative terminal, and anode is nothing but positive terminal. Anode is nothing but a positive terminal. So the chlorine gas given off at cathode and hydrogen gas given off at anode, and sodium hydroxide formed near anode. And this process is known as chloroalkali process. Because of the products formed, chloro for chlorine gas, and alkali for sodium hydroxide, So once again we review this topic. Take a beaker, take two graphite rods which act as anode and cathode, and connect them to a battery. Connect these graphite rods to a battery through wires, through a switch. Now pour aqueous solution of sodium chloride in this. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride is known as brine. So when electricity is passed through this solution, sodium chloride decomposes as sodium hydroxide, and along hydrogen gas, chlorine gas. Chlorine gas given off at cathode, hydrogen gas is given off at anode, and sodium hydroxide formed near at anode. This process is said to be chloroalkali process. Because of products formed, chloro for chlorine gas, alkali for sodium hydroxide. Let us know the uses of chlorine, hydrogen, sodium hydroxide. First we discuss about the uses of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide uses. Number 1. It is used in paper making. Next, it is used in degreasing metals. It is used in artificial fibers. It is used in soap and detergent industries. Soap and detergents. So these are the uses of sodium hydroxide. Paper making, degreasing metals, artificial fibers, soap and detergents. Let us know the uses of chlorine gas. So chlorine can be used in water treatment. And in swimming pools also we use chlorine gas. Swimming pools. And as disinfectants. And in PVC pipes, polyvinyl chlorides pipes. In CFCs, CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, and in pesticides we use chlorine gas. Okay, so chlorine gas used for water treatment in swimming pools, as disinfectants, in PVC pipes, chlorofluorocarbons as pesticides. Next, let us discuss about the uses of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas can be used as fuel. Hydrogen gas can be used as fuel. Margarine and for fertilizers. So these are the uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen gas used as fuel, margarine, and for fertilizers. So these are the uses. This is about the sodium hydroxide. Thank you.